Welcome to Diagenics, the premier provider for telenutrition, weight management, and nutrition consulting. Summer is here, but also we are still during the COVID-19 pandemic. We are going to talk with one of our members to see how he is still eating healthy during this pandemic. Hello, please tell us your name and what you do at Diagenics.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm part of the Diagenic social media team.
Alex, are you working from home?
Yes, currently I am working from home.
Tell us, Alex, what are you preparing your own lunches or dinners?
I'm preparing my own lunch and dinner because I want to stay healthy and help my mom with preparing everything.
Tell us, Alex, what are you going to show us today? What recipe are you going to do?
I'm going to show you a quick and easy lettuce wrap. It's very nutritious as well.
Okay, Alex, tell us what the ingredients are and how did you do all this preparation?
Okay, so first for the ingredients we have our romaine lettuce that we cut up and wash. We have cantellini beans, some strawberries that are cut up as well, some avocados, some mangoes, some cherry tomatoes as well. And then for our dressing, we have...
Is that basil, Alex?
Yes, this is
Okay.
basil. And this is honey, olive oil, some lemon juice as well. And each of these are 1 tablespoon.
Okay, so let's Alex show us how you prepare this.
So now we're gonna start making our healthy, nutritious lettuce wrap. And I'm gonna switch out this bowl for a bigger one. And now we can start. So first we start with the strawberries. You can add 1 or 2, it's up to you. And then we're going to do the avocado.
You like the avocado, don't you?
See. And then we're going to add some mango. And then now we're going to add the cut cherry tomatoes.
Okay. Can we use only this kind of beans or are there any other beans that we can use?
You can use any other kinds of beans. It's up to you.
All right.
So now we're gonna add the cantellini beans.
Is this a 1 cup?
Yes, this is 1 cup.
Okay. And show us how you make the dressing.
Yes. So now we're gonna make some dressing, and I'm gonna get a bigger bowl. I'm gonna use this one. So now we're gonna make the dressing. We'll first add the honey.
Is this 1 tablespoon?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add the lemon juice. The olive oil. And the cut up basil.
Yes.
And now we're gonna mix it.
You mix that before you add it to the other ingredients.
Yes, we
Okay.
mix this before adding it to the
Okay.
main ingredients.
Sometimes it's a little bit challenging to mix the honey with the olive oil, but I see that you are doing such a good job. Okay,
Okay,
it's looking good, Alex.
so now we're gonna add our little dressing to the main ingredients.
It smells good, Alex.
Yes. And now we're just gonna mix it up all together now.
Those are the flavors of the flavors and the colors of the summer. Looks very very colorful. All right.
And now we have our ingredients.
Oh,
So now-
excellent. How do you serve that, Alex?
So yes, I'm gonna show you how to serve it. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to grab your romaine lettuce, get a scoop of your ingredients, and add it to the middle of the lettuce so it doesn't fall out.
That's very colorful, Alex.
And it's very nutritious as well and affordable.
Very good.
So now we're gonna get our second romaine lettuce.
So two grabs is going to be like a serving size, right?
Yes.
For a person like you. That's
And now
very-
we have our lettuce wrap.
Thank you, Alex. My goodness, these crabs are delicious, nutritious, and very affordable. Thank you, Alex. Thank you again for sharing this very nice and very affordable recipe. And for all of you, please follow us on social media. Until the next time, stay safe, stay at home, and please keep eating healthy. Thank you very much.